Namaste everyone. Myself Pooja from Sri Gurukul Group of Institution, Tumkuru. Today we faced 10th standard science state level preparatory examination. Let us start to analyze question paper pattern what they had given. First main MCQ, they had given 3 questions. First question appeared from the chapter Human and Colorful World. Second question appeared from the chapter Magnetic Effects of Electric Current. Third question appeared from the chapter Light. Here one thing, you have to read the question properly, then select the proper option. Second main 1 mark question. They had given 3 questions here. First question, statement question. Here they had given one statement. You have to justify the statement. Second question, it appears from the chapter Electricity. Here they had given 2 circuit diagrams. In that you have to observe the circuit diagrams carefully, then write the answer. Next question appears from the chapter Light based on the concept refraction. Third main, they had given 2 questions, that to 2 mark questions. First question, again activity based question, appears from the chapter Magnetic Effects of Electric Current. Second question, ray diagram. It appeared from the chapter Light. Next, fourth main 3 mark question. They had given 3 questions. First question, you are having a option, statement level question. Second question, again activity based question, appeared from the chapter Magnetic Effects of Electric Current. Next question appeared from the chapter of Electricity. Here also they given 2 statements. You have to give the justification for the given statement. Next, fifth main 4 mark question. They had given 2 questions. First question based on the chapter Human and Colorful World. Next question, it appears from Electricity, problem based question. While solving problems, you have to follow steps. First, you have to collect the data. Next, you have to write the formula, substitute the given values, calculate and write the answer with SI unit. One more thing, when you're writing the answers, don't frame too many sentences. Better, instead of that, give concentration towards keywords and underline the keywords properly. Thank you.
Namaste to all 10th standard students. I am Ramya, a science teacher from Sri Gurukul Group of Institution, Tumakuru. I hope you all have done good in today's science preparatory examination. So now I am here to do the analysis of the question paper. So one of my colleague was already given the information about the analysis of the physics part. So now I just continue with the analysis of remaining parts, chemistry and biology. So as she told, 28 marks has been assigned for the physics. So remaining 52 marks, 25 marks has been assigned for the chemistry marks and 27 marks has been assigned for the biology part. So let me not waste your time. I just go through with the question paper. So this time when we look at the question paper, it was quite easy and simple. Most of the question in the question paper has asked very directly and very simple form. So when it comes to the chemistry part, there are 3 MCQs are there. All the MCQs questions are very easy and very simple manner only they have given. When come to the 1 marks question, there are 3 1 marks question they have been asked. So out of 3 question, 18th question was quite interesting because usually that question will be asked like write the balanced chemical equation for the given reaction. But this time they have asked the ions which produce a white precipitate. So answer is barium Ba2+ and sulfate ions SO4 minus 2 ions. That answer we need to write for the question. And again 19th one, effect of dilution on acid and base they have asked. When come to the 3 marks question, 20th question is very easy because all the content, all the sub questions whatever they ask, they are all definition and so we can easily write the answers. And when come to the 21st question, that is also very direct and very simple. Either we need to write properties of ionic compounds or physical properties of metals. So when come to the 22nd question, they have asked chloralkali process. So after chloralkali process, what is the effect of blue litmus paper they have asked. So for this question, before the electrolysis, if we dip the red litmus paper into the solution, there is no change in color. But after the electrolysis, if we dip the litmus paper, red litmus paper into the solution, it turns to red because of formation of sodium hydroxide. That's it. Next, when come to the 3 marks questions, 23 question is very easy, balancing of equation they have asked, and B question, the things which reduced and oxidized they have asked. So both are easy, and for that question they have given R question also. R questions are also very simple and very direct only they have asked. Then when come to the 24th question, 24th question is a diagram based question. Only 2-3 marks questions were there. 3 marks diagrams will be there. One is iron reacts with steam, another one is zinc reacts with sulfuric acid. So here they have asked iron reacts with steam. So everyone can attend the question. Then 25th question, give reasoning question. 3 statements they have given. A plaster of Paris is stored in a dry place. Then solution of glucose does not exhibit acidic property, and milk mixed with baking soda takes longer time to set as a curd. All these 3 questions are having one keywords, one exact reason, very simple reasons. So this also we can attend, very simple and direct only they have asked. So next, when come to the 4 marks question, 26th question, write the structural formula for benzene and ethine. Everyone can write the question. Next, explain the mechanism of cleansing action of soap. This is also the question from the passing package. Everyone can attend. So overall chemistry part was very easy and very simple and very direct formally ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. We look at the biology part. 2 MCQs they have been asked. 2 MCQs are also very simple. That to 28th question, the second MCQ, little bit we have to analyze, because that is a question from the heredity lesson. We need to cross check with the cross. We have to do the cross for the 28th question. After only we have to analyze the genotype of the F1 generation. Okay. Then comes to the 1 marks question. The 2 questions are very simple, and the second one, the significance of synapse they have asked. So we can write the synapsis process also for that. And next, 2 marks question, draw a diagram showing the structure of nephron. Everyone can write. And the 32nd question, trophic level definition and construct a food chains in a grassland habitat. That is also very simple question. And 33rd question, double circulation and advantages. That is also direct question and everyone can answer. So next comes to the 3 marks question. First one is diagram, brain diagram. So everyone can write. I hope you all have practiced all the diagrams. So it was very easy. And 35 question, the 3 steps, important steps involved in photosynthesis. That also very easy. And stored form of the food in the plant, that is like starch, that is starch. Next is, for that R question they have given, that is nothing but 3 pathways of breakdown of glucose, that they have given question wise A and B. Next, 36th question, 3 endocrine glands they have given, and they have asked the functions, secretions and respective functions they have asked. That is also easy. And next is tropic movement. We have to give an example for each the tropism: geotropism, hydrotropism, phototropism, chemotropism. This was a very easy question. And next is name the part involved in reflex action, that is spinal cord. Everyone knows that. So next comes to the 4 marks question. So one monohybrid cross they have asked. Monohybrid cross they have asked. Here they have chosen a one particular character, that is color of the seed, that is yellow and green. So F1 generation and F2 generation we need to do the 2 for this question. Next, sex determination, that is also the question from the passing package. So everyone can attend that. Then 5 marks question they have asked from the reproduction lesson. How do organism reproduce? All 3 questions are direct. Contraceptive methods, that is also question from the passing package. And fragmentation and regeneration, asexual methods of reproduction. Then what are the changes occurs in a flower after fertilization? That is a 2 marks question. That is also direct question. So when we look at, when we summarize overall question paper, the question paper was quite easy, very direct and very simple. I hope this time they have prepared the question paper in a simple way. The students, don't relax, keep on practicing. Practice makes man perfect. Thank you.